Hello friends, welcome once again in video, and today we learn the trick or the mnemonic to remember the name of different gram positive and gram negative bacteria. We have simplified how to remember the name of these microorganisms, whether the given name belongs to the category of gram positive or gram negative, with the help of trick and mnemonic. This is the list of gram positive bacteria and this is the list of gram negative bacteria. In the process of gram staining to identify the type of bacteria, we have already learned in the video that has been already uploaded on the channel that when we observe after the staining of bacteria, the result of gram staining says that if the bacteria appears or if the sample appears like bluish or violet, it is gram positive bacteria. So the examples we have given here, we have depicted as blue color or violet color. In the result of gram staining, we have seen that if the sample appears like reddish or pinkish, it means the given bacteria or the sample contains gram negative bacteria. And it appears red or pinkish, that's why we have used red color or pinkish color. So let us start one by one how to remember the name of different bacteria. And if the question has been asked that one of the following bacteria is gram negative or one of the following is gram positive, you can easily answer. You can easily answer university examinations, you can easily answer the competitive exams. See, it is gram positive, it is gram negative, this is gram positive, this list is small, this list is big. So we will start our mnemonic from here only. This is small list, small, we can use the word micro. Now what you have to do is, you have to consider that this list has been written on a card. And that which card? A card that is closed card. Means a card is there which is closed, and if it is a card, this list has been written at the bottom here. Means base of the card. Once again I am saying the list of gram positive microorganisms, it has been written on a card that is closed, and this list is written at the base bottom of card. Now we will start. Gram positive micro list written as base corner of closed card. That's what I am saying. Now see one by one. Micro means micrococcus, list, listeria. Now from here we have to derive different names. LIST. One is complete name, LISTERI, listeria. It is one example. Then ST. ST stands for streptococcus. ST stands for staphylococcus. ST stands for streptomyces. See, E is also there after ST. E for enterococcus. Means coccus bacteria are gram positive. It can be remembered by one more way. How? If you see the spelling P and O means it represents spheric, and we know spherical bacteria are called coccus. So all coccus are gram positive. Now next, it is written corner. Corner, it stands for corine bacterium. Closed, clostridium. Card, this is card. Card, from card we are deriving a word nocardia. So these are the examples: micrococcus, streptococcus, staphylococcus, streptomyces, enterococcus. Now A was also there. A stands for actinomyces. Actinomyces, corine bacterium, clostridium, nocardia. So these are the examples of gram positive bacteria. Now we will see the list of gram negative, or how to remember the name. See, if we see the spelling of gram negative, N means negative and E stands for a suffix. That is only written N is negative and E stands for suffix, and suffix is LA. means wherever the suffix is present as ella, that bacteria is gram negative. So examples are Brucella, Bottonella, Salmonella, Klebsiella, Pasteurella, Francisella, Bordetella, Legionella, Shigella. These are the examples. Now again, how to remember? So keep in mind, there is a person who got infected with gram-negative infection. The name of person is Salmon BBS. Okay. The name of person is Salmon BBS. Salmon BB. BBS or S Salmon BB. You can keep in either way. Now this person's leg of Salmon BB infected with gram-negative. He was infected, but where? At club, just crossing France border, means past France border. See, don't correlate the name of this France with any country or anything like this. We are just trying to remember the name. We are just developing the mnemonic to remember the name of bacteria. Please don't correlate this thing to anything. So what we are doing is we are trying to remember the mnemonics. What we are doing is we are making a trick to remember the names of bacteria in which the Li suffix, and for that we have to keep in mind the leg of Salmon BBS infected with gram-negative where? At club past France border. Just after crossing France border there is a club. He got an infection. Now see, L means Legionella. Salmon means Salmonella. BB, Brucella, Bottonella. Then one S is also there. This S is Shigella. Then infected with at club. Although the spelling of club is CLUB, but just to develop mnemonic we have kept K instead of C. So club means Klebsiella. Past means Pasteurella. This is Pasteurella. France, Francisella, and Bordetella. So this is one part of this. Now, second mnemonic to remember the gram-negative. Escape from boring yarn of gram-negative bacteria. Once again I am saying, escape from boring yarn vibration of gram-negative bacteria. Otherwise you will get infection from gram-negative bacteria. So escape, ES, Escherichia coli. If you go through the spelling of Escherichia, after ESC, HE comes, it stands for HE, another bacteria, Haemophilus bacteria. Then boring, Borrelia, yarn, Yersinia, vibration, Vibrio or Vibrio. So these are other examples of gram-negative bacteria. Now one more thing is there. What are gram-negative bacteria? So again you have to remember one sentence. I am telling the name of persons who are called as gram-negative. Once again I am saying, I am telling the name of persons who are treated as gram-negative. Now, the name of persons are Nema, Neha, Monobacter. All are gram-negative, including Sir. Once again I am saying, these are the name of persons. All are negative, including the Sir. Okay, Nema. Now, where the Nema comes in the name of which bacteria it comes? Nema means Treponema, then Leptonema. Leptonema, again you remember here only one more term is there, Leptospira. Just to remember, you keep in mind. So this is Nema thing. Now Neha, Neha, separate this. Ne means Neisseria, He means Haemophilus, Hae or He. Then next Mona. In the which name of bacteria it comes? Mona, Pseudomonas aeromona. Then Bacter, okay, again we will find the name of bacteria in which this word comes, Bacter. Citrobacter, Helicobacter, Enterobacter, Campylobacter. Now check this Okay, CHECK, we have checked. Bacter is coming. K, nothing is there, just to keep or to develop mnemonic, we have written check. So Bacter, check Bacter. We have checked CHEC, Citrobacter, Helicobacter, Enterobacter and Campylobacter. This is okay. All these are gram-negative, including Ser, Serratia. Although the spelling of SER, but just to remember, we have written here Ser. So, 3 sentences are there in gram-negative. First, Ella related, where salmon was infected with negative bacteria. Then escape from boring and vibration of gram-negative. And third one is pneumonia, monobacter. All are negative, including Ser. So how much easy this is. So like this way, you can easily remember the name of bacteria. You can easily remember the name examples of bacteria and easily answer the questions. So this way, you will keep on making things easy. Please keep in touch and subscribe the channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon. So as soon as the video is released, you will get the prior notification. Thank you for being with me. Best of luck.